I take this opportunity to congratulate you, Dr. Widnobi, and all your colleagues for your successes, as I pray for many more years of accomplishments. I will therefore ask Dr. Widnobi and all members of the Medical Women's Association to continue to be role models for our younger sisters and daughters. With the right encouragement, support, and guidance, our women folk can equal the achievements of other women anywhere.
Mr. President, your Nigerian women are making waves. God is blessing your women to stand out, not just in Nigeria, but the world over. We are fully committed to the 3 cardinal points of your administration: fighting corruption, improving the economy, and making sure that the security issues are properly addressed. Women are the mothers of the insurgents. If we put women in the center stage, even on security matters, we will get better results.
We commend Your Excellency greatly for the efforts of the Nigerian government towards protecting Nigerians from the coronavirus, alias COVID-19. Our prayer is that in the same way that we set a good example for the entire globe in the handling of Ebola, that we will also overcome and contain the coronavirus. Our female doctors, some of the very best in this very room, have been sensitized and mobilized to support all health intervention, and as women, we do so, as our motto says, with the love of a mother.